Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change picture on your Prime Video. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Prime Video. All you have to do, just go up, you click here on this picture here on up, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on this picture here on your profile, and you come to this window and you make sure here to click on edit profiles. Then you make sure you click on your account, you will click here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just click here on your image or click here on change image, and it's going to take you to your photos. You choose your photo you want to add or change photos here, and here you can choose picture you want to add on your profile. Just click and it's going to take you, and you click here on save and it's going to add video. I wish know you agree. That's all, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.